Hi everyone, my name's Heba, and to those that don't know me, I do a lot of DIYs. Today we are doing a fashion DIY for our 3-minute Thursdays. It's basically doing a DIY in 3 minutes or less. So, today we are going to crop this top that I painted for my friend, and you can use this technique on any top. I obviously have a cutting board there, but you don't need a cutting board if you are using scissors. I have decided to use a rotary cutter, so I needed a cutting board. So you start by measuring in the center front where you want to crop it, and you have to really just make sure you don't crop it too short. So I kind of always like to measure it a little bit longer than what I usually would, the length that I would usually want, basically. And that gives me that room to shorten it if I want to in the future. Also, because I'm leaving this top as a raw edge, the edge can curl up a little bit. So longer is better. So I've now marked it with the tape. I got it right first time. I basically just eyeballed it, and where I taped it seemed to just be really accurate. And now I can start cutting. So I basically follow the line with the rotary cutter, but like I said, you can just use scissors and you do not need a chopping board. I mean, sorry, a cutting board if you have scissors. So I'm just following the line there. You can use masking tape or any sort of tape. I like the masking tape because it's quite bold, so I can really see it as opposed to clear tape. And that is it. It is done and easy breezy. So I've decided to leave this with a raw edge. This material is a mixture of synthetic and cotton. It just doesn't seem to fray that much. And this is the final result. I really love how cropping it just makes that print pop, and I think my friend will really like this. That is all for our 3-minute Thursdays, guys. It's that quick and easy. And I'll see you at my next DIY. Goodbye.